Top 10. Best dive computers. The world is appealing to more and more people every year. Scuba diving is typically a very rewarding. Number 10. Suunto Eon Steel Dive Computer. Systems available. An exceptionally large and colorful screen displays graphs and models instead of only numbers. This will allow you to quickly see how your dive is going with a single glance. 3 large buttons are generously spaced out, giving you confidence even while wearing large gloves. Fully adjustable strap. Colorful screen. Easy to press buttons. Number 9. Aqua Lung i300 Wrist. Aqua Lung i300 Wrist Dive Computer comes with everything you expect from your dive computer, making it one of the best on the market. The large screen is broken into many different sections, giving you quick access to all the necessary options and figures you need. 4 operating modes. Audible alarms. Backlighting for easy reading in low light. Our newest choice only be seen at fishfindly.com. Search best dive computers or simply click below the video description link. Fishfindly fishing guides and gears reviewed by experts. Number 8. Mare's Smart Wrist Dive Computer. City to record up to 36 hours of information. You will be able to dive to depths up to 150 meters, allowing you to grow into this setup. The scratch-resistant LCD screen is easy to read even in direct sunlight. Everything from temperature, scratch-resistant LCD screen. Dive up to 150 meters. 24-month warranty. Number 7. Oceanic Geo 2.0 Air. With a dual algorithm and deep stop option, the upgrades in this watch are easy to see. With 4 different operating modes, personalizing this computer is easy. Watch, gauge, norm and free options allows you to personalize your dive to be completely your own. 30-day satisfaction guarantee. On-screen history. Deep stop. Number 6. Shearwater Research Dive Computer. Colored 2.4-inch screen shows everything you need to know in a small compact design. Stainless steel screws hold the waterproof plate in place, while a dual strapping system ensures this high-tech scuba computer stays on your body at all times. Air Nitrox Trimix capable. Runs of a single AA battery. Logs 1,000 hours of diving. Number 5. Mare's Puck Pro Wrist. Some of the best quality wrist dive computers available on the market. The Mare's Puck Pro is no exception. With a large, easy-to-read screen and its lightweight design, it is an excellent option for any level diver. A single button easily navigates the menus, while a large round screen provides Nitrox programmable ascent rate indicator. Full function air. Our newest choice only be seen at fishfindly.com. Search best dive computers or simply click below the video description link. Fishfindly fishing guides and gears reviewed by experts. Number 4. Suunto D4i Novo Dive Computer is a full-featured high-end piece of technology. With 4 modes, including air and nitrox, you will be fully updated with the amount of air you have left. Suunto's built-in decompression algorithm will make your dive the safest possible. If you are ascending too quickly, an alarm. Comfortable strap. 9 different colors. Upgradable firmware. Number 3. Cressi Leonardo Scuba Dive Computer. With a single button interface, programming air, nitrox and gauge is a breeze. An edge-to-edge high-definition screen makes this computer easy to read while still being incredibly compact. Traveling is made easy with this computer's size. 120-meter dive depth. 70-hour logbook memory. Single button interface. Number 2. Cressi Giotto Wrist Computer. Auto Wrist Computer will allow you to take this with you no matter where you dive. A simple 3-button system allows you to navigate through the interface with ease, which is readable on the large 2.6-inch screen. Included in the system is a large 3-volt battery that is easily rechargeable. High-definition screen. Logbook. 3 easy-to-navigate menus. Number 1. Suunto Zoop Novo Dive Computer. It tracks your descent and ascent and alerts you if you move too quickly. The easy-to-read screen shows your air and nitrox levels, date and time, depth and temperature. Large buttons allow you to quickly move through the interface, while the highly configurable band. 4 operating modes. Timer for air and nitrox modes. Integrated apnea timer. Our newest choice only be seen at fishfindly.com. Search best dive computers or simply click below the video description link. Fishfindly fishing guides and gears reviewed by experts.